Okay, so I told Bridget I had to take a poop so I can go in here. We just got a dog too. We're in Amish country. There's a horse and buggy parking over there. So let's see what there is around here. Some nice cars.
Not getting that.
Oh, that's nice. It's like a barren wasteland. Random thing. Nothing really fancy. Dinosaurs. He-Man. Jar Jar, of course. Nothing good. I haven't seen him before. Wow. This is a bummer. So I haven't seen this before. Kind of curious. Doesn't have a price or anything. See how much it is. Nothing. Found them. So I just found this. I think Nas may lose his mind. I am tired, but I'm going to renew my registration because it's been expired for over a year. So, ooh, what the fuck happened to these rims? Oh, that's not the window I want. What the fuck? I don't know what that is, but I'm at Walmart. So, let me put the car in park. Parking car. This is a long intro. I'm gonna go look for stuff. This place usually has nothing. Feet. So, I'm glad I came here. Look at this. Definitely getting the whole line. GTR. Charger. This is what I want. How awesome is that? So I'm happy I came. Wasn't gonna get gas, but there's a bunch of Teslas charging. I'm like, I'm not doing that. But it would be so shit with them. I don't think there's anything else. Wow, this place is always empty. The Porsche. I think I'm gonna redo a few. Oh, mine had a different car. Who would have thought? Terrible music in the background making noise. Gotta do the noise thing. Noise, 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 noise. I can't do it anymore. Muppets. Random car. There's Diddleys. We got a lot of Legos. They're too expensive for me. Center. I know if I start Legos, I'll never stop. They're just too expensive for me. Nothing I need. Slim pickings. So guys, definitely lucked out. I was looking for the set. I'm pretty sure it's pretty new, but nice. Really cool. I'm excited, especially a Challenger. But yeah, lucked out. Wasn't gonna stop. Don't even like Fast and Furious. I just like the cars. But yeah, someone must have left them there and got their own set. But I really like how these look. The Corvette Grand Sport's nice, but the Challenger's my favorite. There you go. I don't know. But guys, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and more to come.